Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim from nasimrez.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can track your HubSpot form submission and send that event to your Google Analytics dashboard. So that means you can understand how many people actually came from Wise network and how many people actually want to interested to contact with you. So this video will be critical if you are not familiar with Google Tag Manager. But don't worry, if you even didn't solve your problem after watching this video, then I will give a link on this video description to book a session with me. Feel free to contact me. I will help you to solve this issue because I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork. Okay, no more talks. Let's get started. Guys, this is my demo website and my HubSpot form is integrated like this. And I want to send a successful event on Google Analytics because I want to understand how many people are getting to contact with me. Okay, and this process I will use to help up Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager is a very useful tool to set up any conversion tracking. So if your website is not connected with Google Tag Manager, just simply copy this code and integrate this code under the head tag of your website backend. Okay, I hope you can do that. And when you have done, let's install the process. First of all, we need to go to preview to make sure our website is connected with Google Tag Manager or not. And we need to copy our landing page URL and we need to paste here for connecting with Google Tag Manager. If your website successfully connected to Google Tag Manager, you will see this message: Google Tag Assistant connected with this green mark. And here you can see this is connected also. So now let's submit the form because we have to get a event in our Google Tag Manager preview page. Then we are able to track because in this page there is no thank you page. Okay, let's submit the form. Here you can see this is a submitting form message. Okay, and here you can see we have got form success message in our Google Tag Manager preview. This is the event we want to send to Google Analytics. And if you don't have your Analytics account, just complete this account first. It will take few seconds because it's very easy. Just you have to go to analytics.google.com and simply you can create this property. And after that, you will get a measurement ID. Let me show you. If I go to data stream and open that, this is the measurement ID we actually need because this is very useful. Just copy it. Go to Google Tag Manager and hit tags, and then we need to go on new and then select Google Analytics and set Google Analytics event. And here you can see this is the option to input the measurement ID that we simply copy it from here and now paste it here. And here you can see Google tag found in this container. So that's mean Google Tag Manager is connected. If you see the error, you can simply copy, just hit on the button and creating with the same measurement ID a Google tag. Okay, then you will be able to see this green icon. Okay, now this is the event section. In this event, we need to copy the name. We have got it from here, from success, and then we need to paste it here. Okay, and now this is the trigger. Just try to understand, guys. We want to send exact same event name to our analytics. And but the when, okay, the when we are going to send, which is called trigger. So let's make a trigger and use this custom event and go back tag assistant, copy this exact same name again and make a trigger, save, give the name and save it. And after that you will see our Google tag is integrated with a triggering. Okay, and let's save it and give a meaningful name here. For me, I am using HubSpot from. Okay, let's save it. You can use a different name, of course. And now let's go to preview again. And this is important, guys. When you have done, you must need to test before submitting this Google Tag Manager version. And let's go to analytics, real-time data, because we need to see exact same data is coming to our analytics dashboard or not for verifying the issue. Okay, and let's submit. It's done. Yes, form submission here and Google Analytics for succeed. Let's go back to analytics, and this is a real-time report. Sorry, we go to real-time overview, and here you can see this form event already came to Google Analytics 4. So that means our setup is completely fine and we are ready to submit the version. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you want to make the another event for Facebook Pixel, for Google Analytics or Google Ads or any other platform, and if you need someone expert, you can contact me. I will help you, and you can wait for the next coming video. I will try to discuss about that topic. Okay, that's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim. I'll see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.